Hey eufy fans, it's Paul, and today's video is a top 5 tips for your eufy devices. In at number 1 is the integration with Amazon Echo or Google Assistant, which I think is one of the most useful. It's especially useful when used with a eufy doorbell. On the doorbell press you can instantly see who's at the front door and decide whether you want to answer it or not. In this case, probably not. It can also be used to live view any connected camera. At number 2 is a better battery life. Your camera battery can drain quite quickly if it's in a high traffic area. And one solution is to invest in a eufy solar panel. These can be connected to the most eufyCams, and all they need is 2 hours of sunlight per day to maintain battery levels. The app indicates the camera is charging a more even charge on a cloudy UK day. Some cameras will also display a charge graph to show efficiency. In at number 3 we have reducing false notifications. False notifications can be annoying, especially if the camera aims something like a busy road like mine does. And to avoid multiple notifications, I have set up an activity area, which is done via the app. This is also good for gardens with windy trees. The activity zone means that you will only be notified of activity in that area, which will greatly reduce the number of false notifications. At number 4 we have camera positioning. Whenever you add a new eufyCam to your home, this prompt appears. This tells you that the camera should be placed between 2 and 3 meters off the ground, to keep the IR sensor level, tilt the camera around 15 degrees, and to position the camera so that movement goes across rather than straight towards the camera. My own camera is on the brink height at 3.2 meters and is angled slightly more than 15 degrees. However, this camera still detects movement I need. Like all eufyCams, it does prefer motion to go across rather than straight towards, but it is also effective if motion comes diagonally towards the camera. As you can see, horizontal detection is very early, directly towards the camera is late in comparison. My C3 Pro is mounted around 2 meters and is a lot better at detecting motion coming towards or going away. And lastly, at number 5 we have automation triggers between devices. The eufy app allows you to make one device trigger another, such as an entry sensor can trigger a pan and tilt camera to a preset position like this. You can also set a fixed camera to trigger another fixed camera, like this, which is useful if one of the cameras is out of the line of sight. I hope that this has been useful, and there will be more top tips to follow. So that you're notified when this happens, please subscribe and give the channel a like if you found this helpful. Also, consider joining our Facebook group, eufy Security Camera Owners, where you'll find worldwide discount codes in the featured post section. See you soon.